Now in the second subtask of the calculator project, we are going to be handling user choice. That is, previously you saw we gave users 3 options: 1 to add, 2 to subtract, and 3 to exit the program. So we are going to be handling that part of the project. The objectives for this particular subtask is to update the calculator function method. Now coming to the code, we've imported the scanner class from the java.util package, and we have created the public class CodeChef. And this particular function or method has been explained in the previous subtask. Now coming to this method over here, calculator function, which is going to give string as an output. We are going to take user choice as an input from the user. That is, we have to take input from the user as to which choice they want us to do. Now based on that, if user choice is 1, that is, and based on that, if user choice is 1, that is user wants to add, then we're going to return let's initiate addition. Else if user choice is 2, which we have given subtract over here, we're going to print out, we are going to return let's initiate subtraction. And if user gives any other option like 3, 4, then we're going to return exit the program. Coming to the main function over here, first we'll be creating a scanner object from the scanner class which we imported over here, and using this scanner object we'll be taking input from the user. So first we're going to display the calculator menu based on which the user can choose what they want to do. Then we're going to ask the user to give an input as to what operation they want us to perform, and we are going to be taking input from the user using scanner.nextInt and storing that value in the user choice variable. Now here we are handling the user choice, that is, we're going to initialize a string variable called value, which is going to take the output given from the calculator function method, and the string value we get from the calculator function method, we are going to be printing it out over here, and we're going to close the scanner to free up memory. Let's just run this code once. So yeah, let's say you have addition. I've gotten the message let's initiate addition. Let's just submit this code once. We have passed all 3 test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.